Hi friends, so I'm here with my all new OnePlus 7 Pro. This is 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. So let's not delay and unbox it quickly and show some specs and features of this phone. So this I have bought is the Nebula blue color, and I have ordered this package from Amazon, and I got delivery yesterday. It's June 5th. So we will put off this packet by taking this bill. Afterwards you can see. So here is the OnePlus 7 Pro box. Boom. So here it's written that Amazon.in. In this package, I'm going to have my all new OnePlus 7 Pro. See here. Let's open it. What's there inside? Slowly. Oh my gosh. This is the box. Wow. Here is the bill. Let's remove it. Superb. Wow. So you can see this OnePlus 7 Pro Nebula Blue, 256GB storage and 12GB RAM. It's a new item which is released in Amazon on 28th of May. So here it's written never settle. This is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, and its sound quality is defined by Dolby Atmos. So they have been given this license by Qualcomm. So let's not delay. Open this mysterious box. So this comes in different prices, but if you buy in Amazon, it becomes very cheap for you. That's 57,999 only. So open this box very slowly. Go beyond speed, but I will open it very slowly. Wow, this is a red box, and where it's written that this Amazon welcome letter. See here, the welcome letter, and this pouch, and this case, transparent case for it. The transparent case for the mobile phone. Here's the transparent case for the mobile phone. We put it aside, and here is the welcome letter. Something and all that will be written in this letter. We don't want to read it, but we want to go for the mobile phone. So here it's written that never settle. Wow, it's very slim, very sleek. Wow, it's given some notice and warnings here. It's written that never settle. So here's the power button. Open this. So it's been opened now. So this mobile is booting. So you can see this ultimate beautiful design there. See this, superb. Wow, so very shiny in nature.
You may have very curiosity in knowing about the features of this OnePlus 7 Pro, which having the subtitle Go Beyond Speed. So I'm having the quick replay of the features. It's having QHD resolution. Does it have 2K OLED display? Yes, it does have 2K OLED display. What is the size of the screen? 6.67 inches. Does it have 90Hz refresh rate? Yes, it does. It does have. What is the clarity of the camera? 48 megapixel rear camera with f/1.6 aperture lens. It is having 3 cameras, that is triple camera, one for ultra wide angle lens, another for portrait mode, and another for pop-up camera, and one main camera, that is 48 megapixel rear camera. What is the speed of this phone? It is defined by 12GB RAM, and this is one of the first phone which is having this much of speed. So what is the storage of this phone? That is ROM, 256GB storage with UFS 3.0 processor. What is the style and what is the design of this phone? So it is designed as its seamless glass curves to immersive 6.67-inch Fluid AMOLED display defines true craftsmanship. What is the speaker quality? Dual stereo speakers with haptic vibration. What is the SIM card? Up to 8 GB RAM. You can extend the SIM card, and SD card, there is no chances of keeping SD card, and you cannot extend the storage of this phone to 512 GB or 1 TB. So it is fixed to 256 GB. You cannot extend it. So this is powered by Dolby Atmos. I'll be going to give some more information about that.
Hi there, English United States. Okay, start. Press terms and conditions. Agree. So, first you can do it.
So let's not delay it. Set up the mobile phone, all the basic information for the mobile, such as date and time, the wallpaper and the font style.
So here I'm getting this phone open now. So you can see this slim and sleek condition. Close this, open, close this, open this. Very soft, very shiny. So very beautiful man. Google, no internet connection. So you can see this camera open. So welcome to this 1x zoom, this ultra wide angle. You can see this ultra wide angle. So this, wow, so beautiful. This is 3x optical zoom. Can go here up to 10x zoom also. You will get a clear picture if you get to the 10x zoom also. Come to the back, video mode, 4K video, photos, portrait mode, nightscape mode. You can get it anywhere.
So the actual thing is, when you turn this camera upside down, that is the pop-up 16 megapixel selfie camera.
So this is the image of the phone while charging with the wrap charge. So these are the few images which I am going to show you, which is shot on OnePlus 7 Pro, the wide angle, ultra wide angle, 10x ultra zoom. So this is nightscape mode. So friends, as you all know that OnePlus 7 Pro is powered by Dolby Atmos 7.1, that is stereo speakers. It will give you full 360 degrees sound you can feel, and the powerful bass. So let's see whether it works on OnePlus 7 Pro or not. Wait and watch.